एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ सदफ एंड आई वेलकम यू टू ऑल टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल. होप यू आर डूइंग वेल. तो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी अबाउट दी अर्थ. सो आवर अर्थ इज़ मेनली डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. ह्यूज लैंड मास which is known as the continent and the water bodies is known as the oceans. So we have 7 continents: Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa, South America and the North America, and 5 oceans: Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. तो अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी अबाउट द वर्ल्ड जोग्राफी ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका, और हम इसमें 2 तरह के मैप कंसिडर करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज़ पॉलिटिकल and other one is physical. In the physical map, we came to know about where are the mountains, rivers, forests, desert, etc. While in the political map, we consider the location of a particular state or a defined boundary. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. साउथ अमेरिका. So South America is 4th largest continent in terms of size and 5th in terms of the population. This continent lie entirely in the western and mostly in the southern hemisphere. On the west side of this continent, Pacific Ocean lie, and on the east side, Atlantic Ocean. And from this continent, 2 most important line runs through this. First one is equator and another one is Tropic of Capricorn. And from the map you can see that Brazil is the largest city of this continent. So in this continent there are 14 countries. 12 are the independent countries and 2 are the overseas territory of the France and the United Kingdom. The geography of the South America is mainly dominated by the Andes Mountains, Amazon River, deserts, plateaus, etc. This picture shows the grassland of the Brazil, and this one is the highest waterfall in the world, which is known as the Angel Waterfall, and it is located in Venezuela. तो चलिए अब इस कॉन्टिनेंट की कंट्रीज़ के बारे में पता करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम ये वाली कंट्री देखेंगे, this one, and the country name is French Guiana. It is the France overseas territory and its capital is Caen. And in this important place is Kourou. Kourou is a France satellite launching station. And recently ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, has successfully launched the latest communication satellite, that is GSAT-30, from this place, that is Kourou. Another country is Suriname and its capital is Paramaribo. Next country is Guyana. It is independent nation and its capital is Georgetown. Another one is Venezuela and its most important countries, and its capital is Caracas, and also the Angel Waterfall is also located in this. Another country is Colombia and its capital is Bogota. As you can see that equator is passes through this country. Another most important country is Ecuador and its capital is Quito. This is also the country which runs parallel through the equator, and on the west side of this country we have the Galapagos Island. It is the home of various unique species of reptiles, birds and fishes. Next country is Bolivia and its capital is La Paz. Here we can find the Bolivian plateau. Another country is Peru and its capital is Lima. Next country is Chile and its capital is Santiago. Another one we have Brazil. As I said earlier that Brazil is the largest city of the South America and its capital is Brasilia. And recently 6th IBSA Women's Forum meeting held virtually. Here is the map. As you can see that the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn both are run parallel through this nation. And also the Amazon River is also runs through this country. Next country is Argentina and its capital is Buenos Aires. Here is the map of the Argentina. Here we found out the various deserts. Another country is Paraguay and its capital is Asuncion. It is the landlocked country of the South America. Landlocked country वो होती है जो डायरेक्टली ओशियन में ना जा सके या ओशियन का पानी उस सिटी में ना आ सके, इसलिए इस सिटी को हम लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री कहते हैं. और साउथ अमेरिका में 2 लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री हैं, एक पैराग्वे और दूसरी आपको मुझे बतानी है. Another country is Uruguay. It is nearby the Atlantic Ocean. Remember that Uruguay is not the landlocked country because ये ocean से connected है. And its capital is Montevideo. Another country is Falkland Island. Remember that Falkland Island is not the independent nation. It is the overseas territory of the United Kingdom and its capital is Stanley. Here you can see the map of the Falkland Island. It is nearby the Argentina. So thank you. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो let me know in the comment section और आप अपना फीडबैक दे सकते हैं कि कैसा लगा आपको, और मैं ऐसी वीडियो लेकर आती रहूँगी.